Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have Vscode open and the repository folder loaded. Start there. First, make sure any changes are committed or stashed to avoid losing work. Then open the source control view or the Explorer to locate the repo root. You can also use Command Palette to reveal the workspace folder. Once done, close any editors tied to repo files so locks are released. These steps prepare the environment for safe removal without hidden conflicts. Now remove the repository from the workspace. Right-click its folder in the Explorer and pick Remove Folder from Workspace. If you used a multi-root workspace, open Command Palette and run Workspaces. Remove Folder from Workspace and select the repo. Make sure terminals tied to that path are closed so processes don't block deletion. If the repo is the only folder, close the window or choose File Close Folder. This detaches the repo. Next, we delete files if desired. To delete the repository from disk, use your System File Manager or the Vscode integrated terminal. Run rmrf on Mac OS/Linux or rmdir/s on Windows, only after confirming backups. Once removed, reopen Vscode and verify no residual workspace entries remain. If deletion fails, check for file locks, open editors or processes, Git, terminals, IDE plugins, still using files. Terminate those and retry. If you get permission errors, run the delete with elevated privileges or fix permissions and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.